Today we're gonna make Captain Hook Jack Black fries.
Not Jack Black. Hey, how about?
Just Captain Hook fries. Back to Carson's cooking show. First, we're gonna pour the whipping cream into the mixer. Pour that good stuff in there. It's farting. Get some milk. Just add a little bit of sugar, baby. Whip it good, baby. Now that looks great, baby. How about all that whip? Num num, let's try it. Instant replay, baby. That's gold money. Blue. Now you gotta stir in the colors. Now we have it stirred up. Let's put it in the pie. Now let's even out the whip. Green. Now the pies are ready. Now we can add some piping. Now I choose yellow for my piping. Now let's add the whip into the piping bag. Now pipe it up. Now the pies are ready. Now it's food fight time, baby.
Oh, Rufio, why don't you just go suck on a dead dog's nose?
Food fight! Hey, thanks for watching my video. Click here to subscribe. Turn the notification bells, like and subscribe. To watch our other videos.